What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from Anker today. New iPhone fast charging essential kit right here. Now I've been testing Anker Nano 20w charger with my Apple iPhone 11 Pro for almost 2 days right now, and let me tell you guys, if you guys never tried a fast charger with your iPhone, I'm not talking about Android. I know Android already have like fast chargers. I'm talking about iPhone. If you never tried a fast charger with your iPhone, then you should definitely try. Definitely. Especially the 20w charger Anker offering right now. So let me open the box real quick. Oh man. Alright. So right after you open the box, you guys can see 3 times faster than your old charger. Yes guys, this charger is packed with 20w. Now if you compare this charger to Apple 5w right here, you guys can see same size, but Anker Nano is packed with 20w and Apple old charger packed with 5w. Now you guys can see Apple charger comes with USB type A. You can't use that charger with iPhone 12, but you can use Anker Nano because it comes with USB type C. Now you guys already know Apple is not including charger with the new iPhone 12, so you need to buy a new charger or you can use your old charger, but I highly recommend go with a fast charger. If you're coming from, let's put it this way, iPhone 11 Pro, then most likely you have a 18w charger. But even though you have a 18w charger, I will still recommend you guys go with a 20w charger because definitely worth it. So I tested this iPhone 11 Pro with the Anker 20w charger, and after 30-minute charging I got around 50% battery life. Now keep in mind my iPhone 11 Pro is 1 year old, so the battery life is not all that great. With the 5w charger right here, I charged my iPhone 11 Pro for 30 minutes and I got like 16% battery life. So I highly recommend this Anker Nano 20w charger. Definitely worth it guys. And you can pick up this charger for like what, $17. So this thing is really cheap and really small. You can easily put it in your pocket, you know, you can take it anywhere you want. Now they also included a 60w charger inside the box. So you guys can see here 60w charger. Let me open this plastic real quick. 60w charger. This thing is heavy, pretty big. Alright. And also 60w charger comes with 2 USB type C. So let's put it this way, if you want to charge your phone and your iPad Air or your MacBook Air same time, you can do that. You can charge 2 devices at a time, and this thing is even better than the Anker Nano. But the reason I like Anker Nano, because Anker Nano is really small, and if you just want to get a small charger, fast charger for your iPhone 12, even for iPhone 11 Pro, definitely this charger is perfect for Apple iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. One charger, that's it. Comes with 2 sets of cables. Okay, so the first cable we have here, Lightning to USB type C. But look at the build quality guys. Look at it, this cable is braided, and look at this, you know, like Anker not playing. Okay, the build quality is solid, like really nice. I really like this. And most of the time what happened basically, I don't know if you guys can see right here, most of the time this cheap iPhone Lightning cable breaks easily. This cable is not going to break. Alright, so look at it again, not going to break. And this cable is long enough. Let me see how long is this cable. Yeah, this cable is like 6 feet long right here. Now that's a really nice cable guys. So the cable comes with iPhone 11 Pro, not all that long, but this cable is long, perfect for your iPhone 12. So let's really say if you're just laying on the bed and you're feeling lazy and you're trying to charge your phone same time, you do need a 6 foot long cable. You got this right here, guys. You got this right here. Now they also included one more cable, USB type C to type C. So let me open this one. This cable is not braided, and this cable is for like your MacBook Air or iPad. And this cable is also, yeah, seems like 6 feet long. So yeah. Now if you don't want this full kit, if you don't want the cables or anything, you just want Anker Nano 20W charger, you can buy from Amazon for around, I believe, $17 or $18. I'll leave a link in the video's description. And if you just want this 60W Anker charger, I'll also leave a link in the video's description. I believe goes for around $30. Definitely worth it. I think Anker Nano 20W charger best for iPhone 12, guys. If you guys are planning on buying iPhone 12 and you are coming from, let's put this, maybe iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, 7, 8, or iPhone 10, get yourself Anker Nano right here. You guys will thank me later. Trust me. Take my word for it. Alright guys, that should be it. Real quick, I just wanted to share with you guys and show you guys Anker Nano 20W charger and the 60W charger real quick. And if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys.